Hello everyone in primary 4. I hope you are fine. Today's lesson is unit 4, lessons 2 and 3. It's a grammar lesson. The first question, whose bottle is this? It's a WH question and it asked me about something that we don't know his owner. So the question is, whose bottle is this? And the answer will be, this bottle is hers. The second question is, whose trainers are these? And this is a WH question also, and it asked me about the owner of the trainers. And I should put something new, and this is today's lesson about it, and that what we will know later. And the answer will be, the trainers are his. Today's lesson is about his, hers, or what. They are possessive adjectives or possessive pronouns. That's what we will know later. For example, the first part of today's lesson is possessive adjectives. The first question is, I have a jacket. How can I say this word, I have a jacket? By using the possessive adjective. The possessive adjective, that is an adjective. What is the meaning of adjective? The adjective always describes a noun. The adjective describes a noun. So how can I say the owner of this jacket is me? Where is the subject now? The subject is I. I should look at the subject. Here is I. So I will say, this is my jacket. Why I said here my? Because the subject is I. So the rule says, if you want to put a possessive pronoun for something that you have, by using the subject I should put my before the noun. So I should put the noun after the word my. I should put the noun after, here is the word jacket. The second one, you have a jacket, and this is your jacket. Where is the subject here? The subject here is you. So I will use your as a possessive adjective before the noun jacket, as the subject here is you. So I will say, this is your jacket. Example number 3, he has a jacket. He, the subject here is he. So I will say, this is his, because I used the subject pronoun he. I will say, this is his jacket. Example number 4, she has a jacket. She has a jacket. Where is the subject here? She. So the second sentence, I will say, this is her. Here as a subject is she, so I will use the possessive adjective here as I have a singular pronoun, and I have the word she. Her jacket, and I should put the noun after the possessive adjective here, a jacket. Yes, this is her jacket. The next example, they have a ball. And this is their ball. Why I use the possessive adjective here, their? Because I have the subject pronoun here, they. So I will say, this is their, and I should put the noun ball after their as a possessive adjective. The next example, we have a ball. So I'll say, this is our ball. This is our ball. Why I put here our before ball? Because the subject here is we. The subject here is we. So I should put our before the ball to say that this is our ball. Okay, let's move to the possessive pronouns. The possessive pronouns, may I say the first sentence by using the possessive adjective as we studied now. So the first sentence is this is my jacket. This is my jacket. And I can say it's mine. So here I used mine as a possessive pronoun. When I use the possessive pronoun, I shouldn't put anything after this pronouns, as it is in it's mine, or this jacket is mine, and I didn't put anything after mine. Why I used mine here as a possessive pronoun? Because the subject is I, and I can replace this subject by using the possessive adjective at the first sentence. So you should read the first sentence perfectly. The second sentence is this is your jacket. This is your jacket. Okay, it's your here, it's a possessive adjective. May I say it's yours as a possessive pronoun, as the subject here was you, and may I say this is yours. And in the two sentences we shouldn't use anything or any noun after the possessive pronouns. Yours only and full stop, and here yours only and full stop. The next example, this is his jacket. It's his. It's his. Okay, it's his. Why I used his here? I will say that it's his, or this jacket is his, as it is in the possessive adjective his, and also the possessive pronouns we will use his to say that something belongs to somebody. Okay, belongs to somebody. The next example, this is her jacket. This is her jacket instead of using she and or any singular noun. Okay, it's hers. Okay, this jacket is hers, and we shouldn't put anything after hers. Okay, the next example, this is our ball. It's ours. I cancelled in this example, I cancelled the noun and only put ours as a possessive pronouns. May I say also this ball is ours. I start with the noun and then put the possessive pronouns at the end of the sentence and only put after it full stop. Okay, don't forget in this sentence that we used ours instead of using our, and we canceled ball and put only ours. Okay, this is their trophy. Excellent, amazing. In this sentence we used their as a possessive adjective instead of the subject pronoun they, and we put after it this noun trophy. This is a possessive adjective, so there I should put after it a noun. And may I say it's theirs as a possessive pronoun, or may I say this trophy is theirs, and we shouldn't in the two sentences put anything after theirs. Okay, Here in this table, we will show you the difference between the possessive adjectives and the possessive pronouns. In the possessive adjective, actually should put anything or any noun after my jacket, his jacket, her jacket, its spoon, or anything, our trophy, your jacket, or your trainers, their ball. But in the possessive pronouns, you should know that you shouldn't put anything after them, and you can start with the noun. Excellent. For example, mine as a possessive pronoun for the subject, pronoun I. Here, may I say, this jacket is mine. I start with the word jacket and I said, this jacket is mine. Or may I say, Ahmed has a jacket. So this jacket is his. Number 3. Okay, the point number 3. How did she run? How can I answer this question? How to ask about the manner. And here we can study something new like the adverbs. The adverbs, there are 2 types. The first type, okay, the answer is she ran quickly. How can I describe this verb? By adding the adverb that comes after the verb, and that's what we will know now. Okay, regular adverbs. How can I get the regular adverbs? By using the adjectives. The adjectives here are slow. Slow is an adjective. Here, how can I change it into the adverb? He walked slowly. He walked slowly. So I put ly to the adjective to get the adverb of the adjective. And I should put the adverb after the verb. And the adverb describes the verb. Excellent. Quiet. Quiet is an adjective. So I'll say they talked quietly. Quietly. I put ly to the adjective to get the adverb. So I described how did they talk? They talked quietly. Okay. The adjective number 3, happy. Happy is an adjective and it ends with y. So when I have an adjective ends, and here the adjective happy, as you see, it ends with a consonant plus y. So we should cancel y and put ily. So we will say she left happily. Careful as an adjective. We should put also ly. She studied carefully. She studied carefully. Okay, and we should put the adverb after the verb. Quick. The player ran quickly. Quick is an adjective, so I should also put ly to this adjective, and don't forget to put this adverb at the end of the sentence and after the verb. Okay, we use the adverb to describe the verb. Okay, and here let's move to the irregular adverbs. For example, the adjective good. How can I get the adverb of it? By using well. I should change the adjective into well to get the adverb. So I'll say they studied well, and we put the adverb after the verb studied. Also fast as an adjective, and also adverb we will use it as it is. She ran fast. And now let's practice. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, I can't find space racket, my or mine. We said before that we should put my before the noun, and we should put a noun after my. Okay, so the right answer will be my racket, as I put racket here as a noun, and I should use here my as a possessive adjective. Number 2, she won the trophy. The trophy is, okay, there is nothing after this possessive, so I will use the possessive adjective or the possessive pronouns. Here I'll use here's, as we also put the full stop after here's, and we shouldn't put anything after it, so we will use here's. Which bag is excellent, amazing. Yours, as I here didn't find anything after this possessive pronoun. Amazing. Is this shirt your or yours? Ahmed. Now I'm calling somebody. I'm here calling Ahmed. I'm asking him, is this shirt yours? As I didn't put anything or any noun after yours. Amazing. Number 5, pass this ball to us. To us. It's excellent. And this is the end of the sentence, and I didn't put any noun after it, so I'll use it's ours. Let's move to the right question. Rewrite using the words between brackets. The children left in a noisy way. Use noisily. Noisily here is an adverb, and adverb describes the verb, so I should use the adverb after the verb. I'll cancel in a noisy way and use noisily. The children left noisily, but I should, in the adjective noise, should cancel e and put ily. Number 2, they shouted in a loud way. Use loudly. How can I use loudly? Loudly is an adverb, so I should cancel in a loud way and put loudly after the verb. The verb here is shouted. Shouted. They, so the answer will be they shouted loudly and full stop. Number 3, I walked in a slow way. A slow way. So I should use slowly to describe the verb walked. So I should cancel in a slow way and put slowly instead of it after the verb walked. Okay, number 4, this is my pen. Now I should use whose to ask about something that is belonging to somebody. Okay, that belongs to somebody. Okay, this is my pen. Whose, I should use whose plus a noun. What I'm asking here about? I'm asking here about the pen, so I'll use whose plus pen and make the scissors is this. So the answer will be whose pen is this. Number 5, this is our garden. Use ours. We know that in the possessive pronouns we shouldn't put anything after them. We should start with the noun, or we can use its instead of the noun, but you should start here with this garden to show that you are pointing to something. So this garden is ours. Excellent. We used and started with the noun, which is the garden. This is ours. This is our garden. It will move. You will move it to this garden is ours. Number 6, these books are yours, and here he wants me to use your as a possessive adjective, so you should here underline the noun books, as you will put books after your. So you will say these are your books, and your here is a possessive adjective, so you will use books after your. Okay, and that's all. Thank you very much, and thank you for listening. Good luck.